Your body is literally fighting a war against itself right now, and you have no idea. Every single day, your immune system destroys around 6 precancerous cells that could turn into tumors. That's over 2,000 potential cancers prevented every single year just by your body doing its job while you scroll through videos. But here's where it gets wild. Your immune system can actually recognize cancer cells because they forget to display a specific protein on their surface. It's like a criminal forgetting to wear their disguise. Your white blood cells patrol your body like security guards, checking every cell's ID. And when they find one without the right credentials, they eliminate it immediately. Scientists discovered that people who laugh frequently have more active natural killer cells. These are the special forces of your immune system. So technically, watching funny videos isn't just entertainment, it's literally strengthening your body's cancer defense system. Your appendix, that organ doctors said was useless, actually stores good bacteria like a backup drive. When you get sick and your gut bacteria gets wiped out, your appendix releases its reserves to repopulate your system. Even your fever isn't trying to hurt you. When your temperature rises, it's creating an environment where viruses and bacteria can't survive. Your body is basically scorching the earth to win the battle. Right now, as you're reading this, millions of microscopic soldiers are working overtime to keep you alive. They're fighting infections you'll never know about, repairing DNA damage, and hunting down threats in your bloodstream. Your body is the most sophisticated defense system ever created, and it never takes a day off.